Hello, classmates. Welcome to my presentation. Buncees are presentation slides, much like PowerPoint slides. They can be shared with a QR code or with a URL. This makes it ideal for in-classroom use as well as remote learning. This is Vitasek, and my EdTech tool for this presentation is for Buncee. I had no prior knowledge of Buncee before discovering it for this class. By the end of this video, you as a viewer are going to be able to understand how to make a versatile platform and how to share a multimedia presentation board by adding a Buncee or a slide. You will understand how to make embedded slideshows or how to share them via email, social media, QR code, or URL, and how to understand to make media content such as student projects, lessons, presentations, activities, and newsletters. Buncee is a web-based tool. Buncee boards allow students or teachers to create presentations to share publicly or with each other. Buncee is a slideshow system that is designed specifically for teachers, students, and administrators. Buncee implements useful digital tools for students. It increases a student's engagement in the school activity they are working on. It also helps teachers improve their instruction methods for the students. Buncee is accessible online with a tablet or a computer. It also offers the drag and drop feature. There can be technical difficulties sometimes with the presentations. Some features on Buncee are not free, therefore there are different levels of benefits on Buncee. An educator can create slides with different topics or theories. Students then refer to these presentations when they need to. An educator can also create slides where students answer a series of questions. All the answers are then stored in the classroom portal. Now let's get started creating our own Buncee. You will first choose your Google email account you will be using to create your new Buncee account. Now you will choose what type of account to create. I chose Educational Professional for this presentation. Now you will choose your age and country. Choose your birth month, your birthday, your birth year, and the country of where you are residing. Now you will click that little white box that says sign me up to receive classroom ideas, activities, etc. And then you will click the blue-green box that says continue as whatever you chose. I chose Education Professional. Now you are at the welcome screen. Choose what do you teach on the drop-down menu and choose what is your role on that drop-down menu and then get started. Now you are at your dashboard. Here you can set up classes, create Buncees, or create boards. And whichever one you want to choose, that's the one that you select on the blue-green buttons at the bottom of the screen there. Here you are now ready and able to create your new Buncee board. And these are the screens that you will see where it says My Boards, Shared with Me, Subscribed Boards, Classes, Buncees and Boards. You will also see the Earth Day project and all the different available animations you can use. And now you've learned the basics, so let's make a Buncee. Here are the instructions now in full on how Buncee works, and if you follow these steps 1 to 11, you will be able to create your Buncee. If you weren't able to follow with my instructions through the screens, you can use these instructions, and this will show you how to create your Buncee. Here is my Buncee creation. I clicked on where it says Untitled above my name there, and I created it and I named it My Buncee Board Example, as you can see at the bottom here. And then underneath my name, I clicked on the next option that gave me the availability to create the presentation information that I put underneath where it says My Buncee Board Example. And off to the right, you can see my share code, and then there are two buttons where you can edit or share this with other individuals. In conclusion to my presentation, Buncee can be used by students in various ways, which include an interactive presentation, a personal portfolio, notebook sharing, or read aloud responses. When creating an interactive presentation, the tool can also be used to engage students while also summarizing the learning. After creating the presentation, the students can present their slides to the class and review them whenever they need to. This is my optional additional slide that I've used to show you some additional resources for Buncee. Thank you for watching my presentation.